undergoing head and neck radiation, that's usually the protocol. Doesn't have to be, and it's getting better.
You just said go gums, all the way to the gums.
Yeah.
And wear dentures the rest of your life.
Yeah, and that's hard to talk about because that's life-changing in a way that dentistry is working really hard to improve and make sure that we can get patients through head and neck cancer survived and have quality of life afterwards.
I've heard that you do some amazing things in that area.
We're looking at it.
Just that I know that there's a big concern there, so I'm glad.
There is, and make sure everyone, please, when you have your cleanings done at your dentist's office, that they're doing a head and neck cancer exam along with that cleaning.
Wow. This
Takes
mind-boggling.
2 seconds, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Nice little look around, but everyone should make sure that that's getting done at their cleaning.
That's interesting. Well, with that, I know we're coming up on this last segment, and we're really going to talk about how people can connect to you and what they can experience in that whole process, because you have a system. I'm so thankful for that. This is the Business Spotlight. I'm Pat Dewar. My guest today is Dr. Mary Swift, and we'll be right back with more. And welcome back to the Business Spotlight. I'm your host, Patrick Dewar. My guest today, Dr. Mary Swift, Dallas Laser Dentistry, cosmetic surgery, cosmetic dentistry, I should say, cosmetic dentistry. And I'm so thankful that you're here today.
Thank you.
I want to get right into how could somebody connect you? There are so many people that need what you offer.
Well, Google. Hopefully, if you put in Dallas and dentist on.
I'll bet you are. I'm sure. I know your marketing guy well, and I'm sure he's taking care of you.
Well, that and
they're showing it down at the bottom of the screen what your ways to get a hold of you.
Sure.
But you want them to call you. Basically, you really want them to see you, right?
Well, we try to be as helpful as we can on the phone at that initial contact. We know people's time is very precious, and they don't want to waste their time just, coming in once to look, see, the next time to do, so we try to listen well and economize your time. But it's always best for me to actually see. Yeah. I've tried to answer emails, but you have to be so general. I really do need to see, and happy to see and give second opinions and consultations.
What's your process when somebody contacts you? What's the process that you walk people through?
The first contact is usually on the phone, and my staff is crackerjack. They will get I have someone that's just there to make sure that we use your benefits to their utmost. I mean,
so you can use some of that stuff. So that's great.
Absolutely, and you should be able to with the internet and all the information. It's real easy to verify people's benefits and look it up. It's customer service, but it's something I think people really appreciate that we do. So we get you in depending on your need. Obviously, if there's a toothache, we'll get you in immediately. If it's just a cleaning you need, we'll fit it to your schedule. So you're either coming in and seeing the hygienist first for a cleaning and X-rays, and then I come in for the exam.
And then this type of work that you're doing is really, I know it's higher end. A cosmetic dentist, you're thinking, okay, there's Invisalign, there's the laser, and then there's veneers. You use Da Vinci.
Porcelain work, yes. It's so much
What's a Da
fun.
Vinci veneer, by the way?
Da Vinci is a lab out in California. You've probably heard of them if you ever watched the Extreme Makeover show that was so popular. That's the lab that helped with that show. But they are artists because they're out there in California and they're working for the dentists who